Hello, good evening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arlina Agayuniarti from English Education in IKIP Siliwangi Cimahi. My student ID number is 222200075. First of all, I want to thank to Miss Ida Lisdawati SPD MHub for this great opportunity. In this moment, I will explain about interpreting. Introduction to interpreting. Have you heard about interpreting? Okay, the definition of interpreting is the process or activity translate verbally or in oral translates from one language as a source language to into another language or a target language. So as an interpreters must deliver message from the speaker to the audience in different language and ensuring the message in actually or accurately meaning, convey accurately meaning to target language. Okay, interpreting, there is two models of interpreting. First is simultaneous interpreting and second is consecutive interpreting. But before we go to the definition of two models above, I will explain about what the difference between interpreting and translating. The difference is in convey the meaning or the method in convey the meaning. In translating, we have to deliver message in written. Yeah, so we can read or heard the speaker speak or spoken language, insert language into another language or target language, not the real time. We can hear this time and then translating in another time. But in interpreting, we have to convey the message, accurately convey the message as soon as possible in the real time as a spoken speak, spoken language in a search language into another language or target language real time or at that moment as soon as possible and in oral or verbally, not in written. All right, so I will explain about simultaneous interpreting. In simultaneous interpreting, we have to deliver message real time and continuously without a pause at all. So if the speaker speak one word or one sentence or utterance, interpreter must be delivered the message or translate the information from the speaker continuously, word by word, without a pause. Right? And then in the consecutive interpreting, when the speaker speak, there is a pause between sentence to sentence or paragraph to paragraph or word to word. And the speaker will let the interpreter to convey the message in the target language in that pause time. Okay, I will give you an example. Me as an Indonesian, Indonesian is a search language, so I need interpreter to speak in English as a target language here. I will give you the first sentence or the first example in simultaneous interpreting. Okay. Lingkungan yang sehat sangat penting untuk perkembangan atau pertumbuhan jiwa raga anak. Lingkungan yang bersih juga sangat berperan penting bagi pertumbuhan seorang anak. Okay. In simultaneous, the interpreter will translate the information straight to the speaker's phone. So when the speaker speak lingkungan yang sehat, so the interpreter will also speak in the target language. Lingkungan yang sehat, speaker say lingkungan yang sehat, and the interpreter will say the good environment. Yeah, so word by word or utterance per utterance. No pause. But if we talk about consecutive interpreting, there is the pause between utterance. When the speaker said, lingkungan yang sehat sangat penting untuk pertumbuhan anak, dan lingkungan yang bersih juga penting untuk perkembangan jiwa raga anak. And the speaker will stop speak and let the interpreter to speak in the target language. Yeah. When the speaker stops speaking, the interpreter will give the information, deliver the message like this. The good environment, very important to children grow ups, and the clean environment also very important to body and soul of the children. And when the interpreter stops speaking, the speaker will continue to another utterance, and then the interpreter also will continue deliver the message when the speaker pause speak. All right. Yeah. So that is the difference between simultaneous and consecutive interpreting. In simultaneous interpreting, there is no pause when the interpreter deliver the message to convey accurately message from the spoken language to target language. There is no pause, continuously speak, yeah. But meanwhile in the consecutive interpreting, there is a pause between utterance when a speaker speak. And in the consecutive interpreting, an interpreter need to taking note. What is taking note? Taking note is when the interpreter heard or listen the speaker speak, we will write some note in the small book or just what papers in small, not to secret note, and then we have to use symbols. I have learned about stenography. There is symbols used by secretary to, yeah, but in this interpreting, we as interpreter we can use any symbols. Maybe we just interpreter knows the meaning what the symbol is. uh, as an example, when the speaker said in the morning, so when the interpreter taking note to uh, act effective, to make an taking note effective, we have only draw sunrise, in the morning. So we can draw sunrise, or when the speaker said in the evening or in the afternoon, we can draw sunset. Yeah, and only the interpreter or someone in taking notes know the meanings about that symbols. Also, we can use arrow or whatever. We can use any symbols, yeah. But to understand this symbol as an interpreter, we need to explore and exercise to practice, more practice. Uh, so when the taking notes will very useful to record the message and then to recall it when interpreter will interpret the message from spoken language or search language to another language or target language in the proper meaning. Okay, I think enough. I think enough for the conclusion. Uh, Interpreting is very useful for deliver message in this country. Who every country use different language. So all people in this world can know the meaning in every language. There is no boundaries to understand every language. So the communication between speaker and listener will be great, and yeah, also of course in the linguistic and in the good linguistic and the cultural barriers, there is the limit, I guess. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening.